Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Verbs that take es with he, she, it in present simple with he, she, it plus verb plus es. Let's go to the next slide. Verbs that end in double s, sh, ch, x, o, z take es with he, she, it in present simple with subject pronouns he, she, it plus verb plus es. I repeated this rule many times to remember it. Let's continue. So examples of verbs ending in double s. We have verb miss. If I say I miss my family, it means that I want to see my family. For example, if my family lives in another city or in another country and I miss them, it means I want to see them. Another example, if I say I miss the bus, it means the bus went without me. So I didn't find the bus. The bus went. The second verb is kiss. So we kiss our family. Press. So for example, there is a button and you press the button. And we have impress. Impress is to make people feel surprised or shocked with admiration and respect. So verbs that end in double s with he, she, it, the verb must take es in present simple. Let's see. Positive form. So I miss, you miss, we miss, they miss. But with he, misses, she misses, it misses. We are not going to use it in this lesson because we are dealing just with people. So he misses, she misses. So this is the positive form. I miss my country. It means I want to see my country. You miss your father. It means you want to see your father. He misses his mother. It means he wants to see his mother. She misses her cat. It means she wants to see her cat. We miss our friends. It means we want to see our friends. They miss their dog. They want to see their dog. So as you notice, I miss, you miss, we miss, they miss. No problem. But with he and she, so we add es to the verb. We cannot add just s. So if we add s, we will have 3s no, or 3s's no. So just we add es.